Well, you don't have to sacrifice great flavor to eat well. Chef food expert and cooking show host Bianca Osbourne is going to show us just how easy it can be. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well. So what are we making today? Or what should you,
today,
what are you making?
Well, everyone can make all of these things. We'll say that. But what I wanted to show you today was 3 things that you can do this year that are small tweaks. It's like New Year, same you, a couple of tweaks. So the first thing is like make one small change every single month. And a good one to start with, and that everyone seems to be adopting, is plant-based living. And so I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, delicious vegan cheese sauce. So if you come in, I'll show you what's in it. So it starts with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, what gives it the color. We also have white potato, it's going to give it body. And then I also have some oil in here as well. And then we're going to add some what they call nutritional yeast. And this is going to give us the cheesy flavor that, because we don't have cheese, we're looking to it for that. We have garlic, we have onion powder, and then we just have some spices. And then we have just like a vegan milk. You can use oat milk, you can use rice milk, almond milk, coconut milk. I mean, go wild, dealer's choice. And then just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And when you blend all that up in a food processor, this is what it looks like right here. And so it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's delicious, and it will sort of like act as a really great swap in the new year.
And nutritional yeast is different than the yeast that we use for making bread, correct?
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. They're a different kind of yeast. So just ask for nutritional yeast. You'll often find it in health food stores or in the like natural food aisles of most grocery stores.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course. And so the next thing is balancing your blood sugar. And this is something that even if you're diabetic or not, blood sugar is something we should all consider. And so the first thing is have balanced meals. So a balanced meal has carbs, and we have some sourdough bread here, and that is the best bread you can eat because it has less impact on our glucose. Then we have vegetables, and you want to eat the vegetables first, and then you want to eat the protein like the egg second, and then you want to eat the bread last, because this means that your blood sugar will not spike, you'll have sustained energy, and this is good if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to sleep better. And speaking of sleep, if you are a person that wakes up in the middle of the night, you might have a blood sugar issue, and so eating something like yogurt, berries, and a little bit of chia seed right before bed, maybe 30 minutes before bed, is going to help you sleep all the way through the night.
Because it satiates you, right?
Well, and also just keeps your blood sugar balanced with everything that it needs. So you have carbs, you have proteins, you have fats, and that's going to help you stay sustained in the night. What happens in the night is your blood sugar drops, and that's why you wake up. And then you think you have to go to the bathroom, but it's just a blood sugar thing.
Okay.
Yes. And then the last thing is like make friends with convenience products. So you know, jarred stock, or in the stock like this one has white wine in it, which is great. And you can add different flavors to it. You can boost canned soups with it, make it taste better. You can also use something like prepared pancake mix. You can add chia seeds to that, and it's going to add more fiber, more fat, more health, but you didn't have to do all the work of putting together these pancakes. You can use jarred pesto. I love jarred pesto. I just add more herbs to it just to make it a little bit more flavorful, but that's really easy to do. And then things like canned tuna, you can put like a tuna salad together really quickly, canned beans. All of these things help you make healthier choices and make healthier meals at home without having to do a ton of work. And these are all changes you can make today that will kind of help you throughout the year continue to make more changes.
And I like that. I like that approach of doing like maybe one change a month, because then it doesn't seem like it's a sudden thing that we have to do and then we fall off of it. So some great advice there, Bianca. We'll link up your socials on our website, chch.com. Happy 2022.
Same to you.